Hi there, can you tell us your name, title, and position with the company?
My name is Hanna and I'm a painter here.
How long have you been with us?
I started in April as a COVID cleaner, but for the past month I've been painting.
What are your core functions, key parts of your job?
I apply paint onto the sheets of metal precisely and consistently so that the finished product can come out with a tough, durable paint to satisfy the customers.
What is it about manufacturing that you enjoy?
I enjoy that it is a fast working environment. I'm constantly busy. There's always something to do and it's a very enjoyable job.
Describe changes you have seen at Vidir that have led to positive change for you and for women in the manufacturing workplace or environment.
I've definitely noticed that everyone here is treated equally and there's always new women that are constantly coming into the workplace.
How can women make their mark in the manufacturing workplace?
As long as you believe in yourself and believe that you can do the job that anyone else can do, you'll succeed.
What advice can you give women considering entering the manufacturing industries?
Some advice I would give to women is to just be yourself and ask questions. Don't be afraid to learn anything. Be positive, be confident, and you'll do well.
What are some things that we can do to improve the image of manufacturing in order to attract more women into this industry?
Well, just like this video, for example, I think it's important that women feel welcome into this type of work and know that they can do it.
Thank you.